just a comparison of the sound with and without baffles. Hello. This time on CrashTestDummyTV. G'day all, just a very quick video on the difference with Baffle In and Baffle Out with the FMF aftermarket pipe for the XR650 2003. Alright, it is a little bit quieter, but it coughs and splutters a lot more. But if you're going to do the FMF, it's a little bit loud either way. Yeah, depending on how you're going to jet it. This one I don't think is completely jetted, but it's probably more, suited for without baffle than it is with. So do your homework and go and talk to someone and find out how much mucking around it is to reject carbies. Because in my opinion, this was much better with the standard carby on it. Maybe throw an aftermarket pipe on it, bit of an air filter, but leave the standard as it is. It worked better. It was set up for a factory. Cool. Thanks for jumping by, saying g'day, and watching me make some noise. Good luck with your toy, and ride safe out there.